Hi everyone, welcome to Vasota Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the zodiac sign Sagittarius. If it resonates, good. If not, that's okay. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a Vastu and energy consultation, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. What's going on, dude? Okay, this is the situationship reading. That means that the situation is currently going on with you, Sagittarius, either related to your career life or else related to your relationship. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay. Ending something, starting something new, you want all everywhere harmony. Okay. You are very much into alignment with your realization about life, about people around you, about opportunities, understanding that who is good for you, who is bad for you. Okay. Yeah. You are still holding on to the past and that disappoints you. Okay, like whatever happened in the past, either in the family dynamic or into a relationship or into a career wise, so you are still holding on to the past and that really disappoints you somewhere. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, you are tuning into your higher self, your higher vibration self, you are tuning into, which leads to stability. Okay, so your third eye chakra is opening. That's good. Some of you Sagittarius who are into separation, they might reconcile or they might celebrate, or else you might start something related to a partnership thing, Sagittarius, with your partner. Okay, two or more partners can start a business or something like that. Okay, starting a career or starting a new business in partnership. Okay, or doing a team job and being successful into that teamwork. Okay, so yeah, you feel that you need guidance or you are taking guidance from someone, correct? Initially, like someone recently you're taking guidance from. Okay, if you're converting your passion into profession, it will be good for you. Okay. Okay, so trust your inner voice. If you're not trusting your inner voice in the month of April 2021, it won't be good. So trust your inner voice whenever you feel that you are confused. Okay, you are having a lot of karmic realizations, like karmic endings on the horizon, spiritual awakening is on the process. Sagittarius have it late, but it happens. Whenever it happens for good only. Okay, you're going through some major rebirth in your life. Okay, that's the thing. Major rebirth you're going through. Endings, new beginnings are on the horizon, starting something new. Wow, you feel that there's a wish fulfillment which is not happening. That's the problem. I'm taking another shuffle. Kindly like, share and subscribe, guys. Sagittarius, you are going with the flow, being patient enough, just going with the flow, not disturbing anyone, not doing anything, argument, just going with the flow happily. Like, whatever is happening into a situation, you're just going with the flow, not doing anything, not taking much of the efforts. Okay, so yeah, you're just being silent enough. Okay, and gaining a lot of maturity related to a situation, which is very good because it very less happens with Sagittarius. Okay, so kindly like, share and subscribe, guys. Comment down below if this reading or this situation resonated with you or not. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Okay, you feel that you work hard a lot, but the amount of output you should get, you doesn't get it. Okay, You are not healing your heart chakra. Okay, open your heart chakra. If there is some past wounds, let it flow, like let your emotions come out, okay, and heal your heart chakra, which you are not doing in the month of April. I'm suggesting you, I'm advising you, open your heart chakra, so that it will be good for you when your heart chakra will open. Okay, you want to take action towards someone or something, okay, which is not happening, okay, or else someone wants to come towards you, or you're thinking energetically that someone should take an action towards you, which is not happening. It is energetically or universally blocked right now. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Wow. Okay, endings and new beginnings in the month of April. In next within 4 months, something will end, something will begin. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Karmic cycle is ending. Trust me, karmic relationships, karmic cycles are ending, and with that your intuition level will also start increasing. Yes, karmic cycle is ending this month for you as Sagittarius in the month of April. If you are going through some major divorce thing, or some major what we can say court cases into your business, okay, it will be into your own favor, okay, in the month of April. Okay, so you are ready to take an action towards your happiness, that is money, okay, career, starting something new, starting a new business, starting new job, starting working towards your passion, profession, okay, and that makes you happy basically, okay. If you feel that there was a past, it was like, there were hidden truths, hidden secrets, and so you won't be in the month of April, you won't be resisting it anymore. It will be like, you will be leaving all the toxic situations, toxic patterns, toxic lifestyles, okay. No more waiting game is going on. There was a third party situation, interference was there. Now you are releasing a third party situation, whether it's relationship, whether it's career, anything. So now you are no more waiting. It's time for taking action. April is a month for you, Sagittarius, to take action towards whatever you have dreamed so far, okay. Because karmic cycle is ending this month. That means from the next month, your new opportunities will open the doors, okay. Your wish fulfillment will happen within next 4 months, okay. So whatever wish fulfillment you are having, this won't be coming to in the month of April, but in the coming months, like within next 4 months, your wish is about to come to provision, like about to get fulfilled, okay. So yeah, that's really good. It's a very positive reading. Karmic endings. Wow, releasing the confusions. You are releasing a lot of confusions, okay. You are gaining a lot of clarity about yourself, about the people around you, about the people you love, okay. And who to keep with, to whom you want to keep in your life, and to whom you should release. It's like that, okay. Yes, you are releasing a lot of sleepless nights, anxiety issues, problems. If you were having tensions in the past, now you are releasing it, okay. You are gaining a lot of clarity, and in the month of April, you won't be having much of the anxiety issues. You will be releasing the tensions, anxiety issues and problems, and from your mind and head space, okay, which is very good. There's a new opportunity is waiting for you related to money, okay. You are just gaining clarity. New opportunities are on the horizon, new beginnings are on the horizon for you, Sagittarius, which is very good, trust me. Yes, there is a travel plan. If you wish to travel somewhere, relocate somewhere, start something new, you can do it in next 7 to 8 months. Relocate somewhere, and then there is a new beginning on the horizon for you, okay. As soon as you shift somewhere, relocate or move, okay, within next 7 to 8 months, there will be a new beginning happening for you, which is very good. Yes, for some of you there might be a marriage offer coming who are single, okay. And for the others of you who are at a distance, Sagittarius, who are dealing with their twin flame connection or soulmates, or who are in separation, they will be having their happily ever after in the next 10 months, okay. Like 1 minute, guys. Okay, so guys, there will be a family happily ever after will be taking place, okay. If some of you are into separation for a long time, within next 10 months, 3 to next 10 months. Okay. Okay, so there is a new beginning happening for you within next 4 months. You have to take a risk towards a new beginning, new offer, new opportunity, new life, towards your wish fulfillment, which is related to your career, money, passion, okay, profession. Okay, yeah, there will be a victory happening for you. As soon as your karmic ends, your spiritual awakening will start, and then your new beginnings will start related to your career, relationship, financial life. Okay, a new offer is about to come into your life. Okay, very soon. It might be related to the next 4 months. A new offer will be coming for sure. Okay, so yes, you will be evaluating the pros and cons. Okay, yes, and you will be evaluating the pros and cons. Few of the Sagittarius in next 2 months or 3 months might travel somewhere overseas. Okay, or planning to travel or thinking to travel. Okay, and there's a new opportunities you are waiting for, which will be coming towards you, but related to money, but it will be coming very slow. Okay, Sagittarius, yes, but that opportunity, grab that opportunity whenever it will come in next 9 months. Okay, within next 9 months. Okay, whenever it will come, grab that opportunity. Okay, so yeah, let's see universal messages for you. Without even shuffling it, I got the wow, this is the second card, the third card. Okay, so the first universal message, Sagittarius, is my happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith to the universe. The second message is I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. The third message is my faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. Very positive cards. Let's say what Angels of Lights has to say. Guidance. Guidance. Okay. Okay, the first message is fun. You need to master your emotions. Your guidance is to take time to enjoy yourself, relax, and find your sense of humor. Treat things lightly. Take things lightly, have fun, enjoy whatever you want to do, do it. Communication clearly should be done honestly and happily. Celebration. Your life is a celebration. It is a time for you to look for the joy, the delight, and the wonder of every day and rejoice in it. When we celebrate the passing events and transitions in life, it is our way of giving thanks, and angels delight with us. Wow. Okay, so Sagittarius, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, guys. Bye bye, and comment down below how was the reading. Bye bye, take care, guys.